One parliamentary government is also known as A. Cabinet government, B. Responsible government, C. Westminster forms of government, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 2. Which of the following characteristics is not related to parliamentary government? A. Resolution of lower house, B. Collective liability, C. Leadership of the Prime Minister, D. Single executive. Answer: D. Single executive. 3. Which of the following is not the merit of the presidential system? A. Permanent government, B. Confirmation in policies, C. Limited representation, D. Government by experts. Answer: C. Limited representation. 4. Which of the following is a demerit of the parliamentary system? A. Compressed representation, B. Uncertainty of policies, C. Temporary government, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 5. Which of the following statements is not correct? A. According to the 42nd and the 44th Amendment, it is compulsory for President to comply with the advice of the Council of Ministers. B. Presidential system is based on double executive. C. According to the Article 74, the Council of Ministers works under the leadership of the Prime Minister. D. Article 74 and 75 provides parliamentary system in the centre. Answer B. Presidential system is based on double executive.
6. Which of the following characteristics is not related to the presidential system? A. Governance of the Prime Minister, B. Single executive, C. Single membership, D. Dissolution of lower house is banned. Answer: A. Governance of the Prime Minister. 7. Which of the following characteristics is not related to the federal government? A. Written constitution, B. Flexible constitution, C. Supremacy of the constitution, D. Independent judiciary. Answer: B. Flexible constitution.
8. In the federal government. A. All the powers and functions are vested in the central government and regional government. B. All powers are divided into central government and regional government. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer B. All powers are divided into central government and regional government. 9. The federal system in India is based on the model of which country? A. Canada, B. UK, C. America, D. Japan. Answer A. Canada. 10. Which of the following statements is wrong? A. Lok Sabha represents the people of India. B. The Rajya Sabha represents the states. C. There are only 98 topics in the center list at this time. D. Rajya Sabha protects the state with unnecessary interference from the center. Answer C. There are only 98 topics in the center list at this time.